How to blur background camera on Skype for iPad. For you to blur background on camera, you will need to start a video call with somebody. So let's start a video call. Let's tap on calls from the bottom. Tap New Call. Select a person to video call. After the video call has started, tap on the three dots menu from the right. Enable background blur toggle from the iPad. This works quite well, and the blur is nice. Please note, on iPad you cannot add a background as you can do on Windows and Mac. Now your background is blurred on your iPad for Skype. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.